For the first part of the experiment, we're going to measure how long it takes the glider to travel different distances down the track. So we're going to do different trials where we measure the length of time it takes for the glider to travel further and further down the track. So to do that, we're going to start off by using two timers. We have the control timer gate that has the numbers on it and the readout, and we have the other timer gate that's hooked to it with a wire. We're going to take the first timer gate and we're going to put it up at either the 20 centimeter or the 180 up near the top of the ramp. So it depends on which way your track is set up, which number you'll see. And we're going to take the other timer and we're going to put it 20 centimeters away. So we're going to put it either the 40 or the 160 centimeter mark. We're going to set our timer to pulse, and when we set it to pulse, what it's going to do is it's going to start measuring the time when the timer first goes into this gate, and it'll stop when it goes into the bottom gate. So we're going to measure the time elapsed when it travels between the two gates. So what we're going to do is we're going to reset it. You're going to turn on your air track blower, and you're going to take this glider and you're going to put it so it just barely is ready to cut the beam. You're going to hold it, and then you're going to let it go from rest. And the glider will go down the track. It'll stop the time. You'll record the time. You'll take the glider, put it back up to exactly the same point, start off again, measure the time, and you're going to repeat it 3 times, and that'll allow you to get an average time for the run and to throw away any things that might go wrong if your glider hits the timer or something like that. Then you're going to take the bottom timer only, you're going to move it down 10 centimeters. So now your total distance will be 30 centimeters between them. You're going to repeat it 3 times, and you're going to keep repeating this, moving the bottom glider 10 centimeters down at a time until you get 10 different sets of measurements.